Welcome back. Today I got a good one for you. A lot of times when you're doing R&I, flares and stuff that are on cars, when you go to remove them, they have some really weak tabs on them and they just lift off real easy. So today we're going to show you how to fix that problem. What I have for you here is that perfect example. Lift it up a little bit, so we're going to fix it. First thing, heat up our iron. This will help us tack weld that tab into place. Be careful not to burn yourself. All we're going to do is just drag it along, let it cool for a second, and you're able to let go. Now we take our torch, we take our welding rod, and we just lay a bead. I'll preheat my welding rod a little bit first. And anytime you're welding with a torch, you have to remember you can't just stay on it. You have to throttle the heat. Alright? So it's going in and coming out with it. Melt it down, and there we go. Pretty simple, guys. Thanks for watching.